In this video, we demonstrate how to assign cost centers to various transactions. To assign cost centers to sales invoices, go to the Sales menu and navigate to the Manage Invoices page. Then, preview the invoice, click on More Options, then Assign Cost Centers. You'll notice that the sub-account at the top is Sales, since this is a sales invoice. If the accounts in the invoice are routed to another account, the cost centers will be assigned to the account selected during invoice creation. From the cost centers list added to the system, select the appropriate center. You can add more centers by clicking Add. Enter the percentage for each cost center as needed. To remove a cost center field, click the Delete icon on the right. Once done, click Save. The cost centers have now been successfully assigned to the sales invoice. For purchase invoices, view the invoice and click Assign Cost Centers. The sub-account Cost of Sales was assigned to this invoice because it was for a service. For other invoices involving products, the sub-account will be the warehouse account selected when the invoice was created and marked as received. If the product for the purchase invoice is marked as unreceived, the account will be Purchases. Regardless of the journal entry related to the purchase invoice, you can always assign cost centers to the invoices by selecting them, entering the percentages, and clicking Save. To assign cost centers to expense vouchers, go to the Finance menu and click Expenses. Create a new expense by clicking New Expense at the top right of the page. After entering the expense amount, selecting the treasury account, sub-account, and the rest of the expense details, enable the Assign Cost Centers option at the bottom. Choose the cost center from the list added to the system. When you enable the multiple option to add more than one sub-account, you'll be able to assign a different cost center for each added sub-account and distribute the amount accordingly. For income, go to Finance, click Income, then click New Income at the top right to add a new one. Also, enable the Assign Cost Centers option and complete the data entry. For journal entries, from the Accounting menu, click Journal Entries, then click Add Entry from the top right. Choose the sub-accounts, enter the amount for each account, and from the Cost Center field, choose the appropriate center. Or click Multiple to select multiple cost centers and enter the percentage for each one. You can also assign cost centers to existing journal entries. Click the three-dot menu, select View, then click Assign Cost Centers. Choose the sub-account, then select the cost centers and enter the percentages as explained earlier. The system makes it easy to assign cost centers to accounts. Once a cost center is linked to an account, it will be automatically assigned in any transaction involving that account. To do this, go to the Accounting menu, click Chart of Accounts, choose the account, and from the three-dot menu, click Assign Cost Centers. Then, select the cost centers and enter the percentages as previously explained, then click Save. To view accounts that don't have cost centers assigned, go to the Accounting menu, then click Cost Centers. Click the Reports icon at the top, then select Accounts without cost centers. You can assign cost centers to any of these by clicking Assign Cost Centers. This page displays all accounts without cost centers assigned. Use the navigation bar at the bottom to view the rest of the accounts. You can export these accounts to your computer. Select the accounts, then click on Export, or you can delete or use the search bar at the top to quickly find an account. If you try to delete a cost center that has already been assigned to an account in the chart of accounts, the deletion won't proceed. The system will reassign it automatically. To delete a cost center assigned to an account, go to the Cost Centers page from the Accounting menu. Click the Reports icon, then select Cost Center Accounts. Choose the sub-account, click Delete, and confirm the deletion. As shown, the cost center was successfully deleted. To view cost center reports, click the Reports icon at the top, then select Cost Center Report or All Transactions. You can also access these from the Reports menu by going to Accounting Report, then clicking Cost Centers on the right.